welcome back to Don't Memorize Math. So we were discussing about a specimen paper for the exam from 2025. So exam code is 0580 and we were discussing question number 15. So we discussed till question number 15 in the first part. So we are starting with question number 16 in part 2. So a student measures the height 8 centimeter of each of 400 plants. The cumulative frequency diagram shows the result. So you can see the cumulative frequency diagram. In y-axis they have given cumulative frequency and in x-axis they have given the height of the plants. So use the diagram to find an estimate for the median. So how to find the median if the cumulative frequency graph is given? So to find median you have to take n over tooth value. Okay, so n over tooth value. So what is capital N? Capital N is the total frequency or total number of plants, whatever is given in the question. So the total number will be capital N. So here you can see the graph and write capital N is 400. Otherwise, in the beginning itself they have given 400 plants. So capital N is 400. So what we have to do is, to find the median, we will take n over tooth value, that is n is 400. So 400 over 2, that is 200th value. That means use your ruler and use your pencil, and from 200 we have to draw a line like this and see the corresponding height in x-axis. So use your ruler and pencil and draw the height. See the corresponding height. So the median is 30. Okay, all the steps you can write here in the space provided. Since this question, the first question is only 1 mark, no need to write the steps. You can just write the answer, that is 30 centimeter. Okay, so second question is the interquartile range. To find the interquartile range, we have upper quartile minus lower quartile. See, for median we found n over 2. Instead of taking n over 2, you can take 50% of n, then take the corresponding value. Okay, you will get the same answer. So first we will find upper quartile. Okay, upper quartile. To find upper quartile, you can find 75% of n, then find the corresponding value in the x-axis. Otherwise, you can take 3n over 4. Okay, so 3 times, what is capital N? We already got 400 divided by 4. 4 and 400 you can cancel, so you will get 100 here. So 3 times 100 is 300. So you need to check in y-axis, take the corresponding value from 300 and check what is the value in x-axis, or what is the height in x-axis corresponding to 300 in y-axis. So here we don't have exact 300, so what we have to do is, we will find out one line is how much in y-axis. So see here, from 0 to 40 the total is 40, and how many partitions are there? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 partitions, that is 40 over 5, that is 8. That means one line represents 8. Okay, so one line represents 8, that means 8, 16, 24, like that it will go. Okay, so here we have we need to find 300. So we have 280. So 280 plus 8 is 288. So the first line is 288. So 288 plus 8 is 296. So second line is 296. Okay, this is 296. Okay, then next line is 296 plus 8, you will get 304. So we just need 300. 300 is exactly in the middle of 296 and 304. Okay, 304. So what you have to do is, you have to use your ruler and draw a straight line. I hope I said 306 or 4. It's actually 304. Okay, so we will draw a straight line exactly in the middle. Okay, when you draw, use your ruler and draw the line. Okay, so you have to draw a line to exactly in the middle of both the lines and see the corresponding value in x-axis. Okay, use your ruler. So you will get exactly in between the two dotted lines. Okay, you will get the value almost here. Okay, so we have to find one line represents how much in x-axis. So here we have 10 divided by, they have divided it into 5 parts, so 10 over 5, that is 2. So one line represents 2, so here we have 30, 32, 34, 36, and not 38, so in between that, so you will get 37. Okay, so upper quartile is 37. Then we will find lower quartile. So to find lower quartile, we have you can find n over fourth value. Otherwise, you can find 25 percentage of n. Okay, so 25 percentage of n. So or n over 4, n is 400. 400 over 4 is 100. So we need to find out the 100th value. So let's see where we will get 100. Okay, so here we have 80. One line represents 8, right? So 80 plus 8, 88. 88 plus 8, we will get 96. So this is 96, and 96 plus 8 is 104. So 100 is exactly middle of that. So use your ruler and pencil and go exactly through the middle of these two lines and see the corresponding value in x-axis. Okay, you will get middle of these two dotted lines. Okay, then you have 10. In x-axis, one line represents 2. So 10, 12, we have 14, 16, but after 16, but before 18, so it is 17. So lower quartile you will get 17. So we have 37 minus lower quartile is 17, that is 20. Okay, all the steps you can write here. I will show you the marking scheme. See the marking scheme here. You can see they have given only exact answer. Okay, there is no range for the answer. So that means you should get these values. So what you have to do is whenever you are finding out a point, check properly. One line in x-axis represents how much, or one line in y-axis represents how much. And the next thing is very important, use ruler and pencil and draw exactly in the middle if you are getting some middle number. Okay, then only you will get exact answer. Okay, I hope it's clear for you. So we will move to the next part, 80th percentile. Okay, percentile, just think about percentage. How we will find percentage? 80 over 100, right? It is the same. 80th percentile means take 80 over 100 of n. What is capital N? Capital N is 400. Okay, so cancel the zeros. We have two zeros. Then 80 times 4. 8 times 4 is 32. So we have 80. So 320. Okay, so find the corresponding value from x-axis to find the height. Okay, or 80th percentile. So we got 320. We have exactly 320. Thank God. So from there, use ruler and pencil and draw a line. See here, it is not touching the dotted line. It is just before the dotted line. You can just see it properly. Okay, so you will get the point almost just before 40. Okay, just before 40. Okay, just before 40. So you can write 39. Okay, just before 40. So 80th percentile is 39. Okay, so the answer is correct. Then we'll see next part, the number of plants with the height greater than 60 centimeter. So the height must be greater than 60 centimeter. So they are saying, I will change the color first. Okay, so height must be greater than 60. So greater than 60 means 60 to 80, right? So we need number of plants. So number of plants, this is only height. So number of plants will be the corresponding values in y-axis. So first point is here and second point is here. Okay, so we'll find out this value. So this is just after 360. So one line represents 8 in y-axis. So it is not 368. So it is before that. So we will just take 364. Okay, so 364, and for 80 we have 400. So you will get 400 minus we have 400 minus, what is the next value for 60? We got 364. So 364. So 400 minus 364 is 36. So we get 36. Okay. So just see the marking scheme. So in the marking scheme we have from 34 to 38. So we got 36. So the answer is correct. So 1 mark either if you have 362 to 366, you will get 1 mark. Okay. The next mark is for the final answer. So I hope this question is clear. So the A part is over. So now we will move to B part. The heights are also shown in the frequency table. Okay, you can see a table is given here. Then complete the histogram to show the information. So just see the histogram. So in histogram they have given frequency, density and height. Okay, in the table they have already given height. Okay, but here they have given frequency. But what we need frequency density. So by using this data we will find the frequency density. Okay, let's see frequency density. For the first one, frequency density is 6. So let's see we are getting the same here or not. Okay, so frequency density is frequency over class width. Okay, so for the first one, frequency is 120 over class width is 20 minus 0. 20 minus 0 is 20. So cancel the 0. 12 over 2 is 6. So we already got here 6. So no problem. You can move with the same method. Then for the next value we have frequency is 80 over class width is 30 minus 20, that is 10. So cancel the 0, you will get frequency density is 8. So the height is from 20 to 30. So 20 to 30 we got frequency density is 8. Okay. So use pencil and ruler and draw the graph. Okay. Let's see the next one. We have frequency is 124 over class width is 40 minus 30. 40 minus 30 is 10. So we'll get 12.4. Okay. So 12.4. So we just have 12 here. Okay. So we need one line is representing how much in y-axis. Let's see that. So here from here to here we have 2 divided by. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. So 2 over 5, that is 0.4. So I will show you how I got 0.4. So 2 over 5. So I will make the denominator 10. So it is easy to find the decimal. So I have to multiply by 2. So if you are multiplying in the denominator, numerator also you have to multiply by the same number. Otherwise the value will change. So 2 times 2 is 4. 5 times 2 is 10. So 4 over 10 you will get 0.4. So one line is 0.4 here. So we got the value 12.4 from 30 to 40. So from 30 to 40 we have 12.4. So just one line above 12. Okay. Use pencil and ruler. Okay. So next one, frequency is 76. Class width is 80 minus 40. That is 80 minus 40 is 40. Okay. So here you will get 1.9. So I will show you how I got 1.9. Okay. 76 over 40. Okay. Both the numbers are divisible by 2, or directly you can take 4. Otherwise you can take 2. Okay. So when you divide this by 2 you will get 20. When you divide 76 by 2 you will get 38. Okay. Again both the number are divisible by 2. So here you will get 10. Here you will get 19. So 19 over 10 is 1.9. So we'll find where is 1.9 is. So first line is 0.4. Then we have 0.8. So 0.8 plus 0.4 is 1.2. Then 1.2 plus 0.4 is 1.6. Okay. Then we have 2. 1.6 plus 0.4 is 2. So we just need 1.9. So just draw just below 2. Okay. Just below 2. from 40 to 80 because the height range is given 40 to 80. Okay, use ruler, don't draw like this, use ruler and pencil and draw a straight line just below 2. Okay, I hope the question number 2 is clear for you, and if you have any doubt just um, mention in the comment, and if you have any suggestions or if you have anything to tell me, you can use the comment box and express it. Okay, so let's move to the next question. Question number 17. So circle properties or angle properties of circle. So the diagram shows a cyclic quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, BD and AC intersect at X. So you can see it is intersecting at the point X. So angle BAD is given 74, that is already in the question. Angle BCA is given 34, and find angle BDA. BDA. So we need to find this angle. So before that, I hope you know the meaning of cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral means four-sided closed figure. Okay. So cyclic quadrilateral means all the vertices of the quadrilateral must be on the circle. Okay. You can see this corner, this vertex, this vertex, this vertex. All the four vertices are on the circle. So the given, this one is a cyclic quadrilateral. So here they have given A, B, C, D is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, then we need to find BDA. So you can see from the arc AB, okay, so we have an angle ACB is 34. From the same arc or from the same segment, you have one more angle, that is ADB. Okay, so this angle will be also 34 degree. Sometimes they will ask reason, so you should know what is the reason is. So you can write same segment angle. The angles from the same segments are equal. So angle BDA is 34 degree. Then the next one is angle BCD. Okay, angle BCD, this angle. Okay, this big angle. Okay, we have one property. We have, I think, mainly we have two angle properties for cyclic quadrilateral. The first one is this one. Opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180. That is 74 plus this angle will be 180 degree. So to find angle BCD, you have to take 180 minus, we have this angle is 74, so 180 minus 74. So 180 minus 74 is 106 degree. Okay. So next one, angle ABD. Okay. So let's see what is angle ABD. Just mark that angle ABD. Okay, this is simple. You can see a triangle ABD. Okay, so angle sum of a triangle, if you are adding all the angles of a triangle, you will get 180. So here we have 180 minus 74 plus 34. Okay, so you can find the angle ABD. So write the steps here. Okay, so 180 minus 74 plus 34. So 180 minus 74 plus 34 is 108. 4 and 4 you will get 8. 7 plus 3 is 10. Okay. So the answer will be 180 minus 108 is 72 degree. Okay. We'll move to the next question. In the diagram, triangle ADX is similar to triangle BCX. So let's see. ADX is ADX. This triangle is similar to BCX. This triangle. Okay. If you want, I will just highlight them. Okay. So this is the first triangle they have mentioned, ADX. Okay. So the second triangle is BCX. So these two triangles are similar. What do you mean by similar triangle? Similar triangle means corresponding angles will be equal. They will be having same angles. So the next property is ratio of corresponding sides will be equal. Okay, ratio of corresponding sides will be equal. So here they have given BC is 4.5. We will mark all the angles. BC is 4.5 and AD is 9 centimeter, AD is 9 centimeter. Then we have CX is 3.3, CX is 3.3. We have to find which side? We have to find XD. Okay, we have to find this side. Okay, so I will write the steps here. You have to write the steps below the question. Okay, where the space provided. So, ratio of corresponding sides. How to identify the corresponding sides? Corresponding sides are, you will be having equal angles. So, opposite of equal angles will be corresponding sides. That means you can see these two angles are equal because they are vertically opposite. Okay, so opposite of equal angle, this will be corresponding side, that is 4.5 and 9 are corresponding sides. I will mark like this, I will put a square. Okay, they both are corresponding side. For the next one, we have these two are again 34. Okay, both of them are 34. So opposite, like BX and we have here AX are corresponding side opposite of 34. Okay, so we are not using that. They haven't given one of the sides, or they haven't asked for the other side, and so no need of those angles. So you can see these two angles will be equal. Okay, so opposite of this side is dx or xt, opposite of this side is 3.3, so both of them will be corresponding sides. Okay, so just take the ratio of corresponding side. So 9 over 4.5 equal to, we have dx or xd. Okay, dx or xd over 3.3. Okay, so what is 9 over 4.5? 9 over 4.5 is 2. Okay, if you don't know, I will tell you how to do is 9 over 4.5. Double of 4.5 is 9. Okay, that's why you got 2. Otherwise, multiply it by 10, multiply it by 10, the same method. Okay, you will get 90 over 4.45. So cancel it with 5, or 90 over 45. Double of 45 is 90. Okay, so you will get 2 here. Then equal to xd over 3.3. So move this 3.3 to left side, so you will get xd equal to 3.3 times 2, that is 6.6. Okay, so what you have to do is, you can use this method. Otherwise, just see here, double of 4.5 is 9. So double of 3.3 will be this side. Like that also you can find the missing side. Okay, so this is 2 marks. So you have to write all the steps, whatever steps we have done here. That is 9 over 4.5 equal to xd over 3.3. So you will get 2 equal to xt over 3.3. So xd will be 3.3 times 2, that is 6.6. So let's see the marking scheme for B. So marking scheme is 6.6. We already got that. So method mark is there. 1 mark for this method. Okay, so you have to show the step or equivalent step, like we wrote also same. So you can use, you have to show the steps, then only you will get 2 marks. Otherwise you will get only 1 mark for the final answer. Okay, so I hope this question is clear for you. Question number 17 is over. So if you have any doubt, please comment, and if you have any suggestions also mention in the comment box. Okay, so we'll continue the questions. The next question is question number 18, that is function. Okay, so first question, find f of negative 3. So f of negative 3 is, just see here, f of negative 3. Okay, so we need to find f of negative 3. So you can see x is negative 3 here. So here also for x we will replace by negative 3. Okay, so you can write 3 minus 2 times negative 3. So if you have a negative number, when you substitute, I prefer to put bracket always. Okay, otherwise you will be confused with the signs. So 3 minus 2 times negative 3 is plus 6. So 3 plus 6 is 9. So only one more question, you can directly write the answer. Just if you can do the mental calculation and write the final answer. That's enough. Okay. So the next one is find g f of minus 3. Okay, it is a composite function. So we first write g. F of negative 3 we already got it as 9. So the question f of negative 3 just replace it by 9. So we need to find g of 9. Okay, g of 9 is x is 9 here. So this x will replace by 9. Okay, so we have 2 times 9. You can put bracket. Otherwise, if it is positive, no problem. You won't get confused. Otherwise, there is a chance for you to confused with the sign. Okay, so 2 times 9 is 18. 18 plus 3, that is 21. So the answer for the second one is 21. So the next one is find f inverse of x. Okay, to find the inverse there are so many methods. Okay, so what method I am preferring is I will show you. So we are finding the inverse of function f, right? So whatever we have in the function, that is 3 minus 2x, we will take it is equal to y. Okay, so whatever the given function is, we'll take it as y. Then rearrange them and change the subject to x. Okay, write it as x is equal to. So first we will move 3 to right side. So you will get minus 2x is equal to y minus 3. So x is equal to y minus 3 over negative 2. Or you can change this negative sign in the denominator, give the negative to numerator. So you will get minus y plus 3. Okay, so minus y plus 3. So I am writing 3 first, 3 minus y over 2. So when you write the inverse, just replace the y with x. Okay, just replace the y with x. So you will get 3 minus x over 2. 3 minus x over 2. Because here the function, that is inverse function, is in x. So you can use only the variable x. Okay, so you will get 3 minus x over 2. So to find the inverse of any function, just take whatever function is given in the question, take it as y, then change the subject to x, then as a final answer just replace y with x. That's all. Okay, so we will move to the next question. Find x when g of x is equal to 7. So I just write what is g of x is, because it is difficult to see again here and there. So g of x is equal to 2x plus 3. Okay, so write the first g the same place, then replace g of x with 2x plus 3. So you will get 2x plus 3 equal to 7. So now we need to find g of 2x plus 3. Okay, g of 2x plus 3. Just see here. Here the x became 2x plus 3. So in the right side also we'll replace x by 2x plus 3. So you will get 2x is 2x plus 3. So 2x plus 3. Then you have plus 3. Just replace x by 2x plus 3. So 2x plus 3 plus 3 equal to 7. And expand the bracket. 2 times 2x is 4x. 2 times 3 is plus 6. Then you have plus 3 equal to 7. So you will get 4x. 6 plus 3 is 9 equal to 7. Then 4x is equal to 7 minus 9, that is negative 2. So 4x equal to negative 2. X is equal to negative 2 over 4. Simplify that. Both of them are multiple of 2. So divide both of them by 2. So you will get 1 over 2. So x is equal to negative 1 over 2. Okay. Then we'll move to next part. H inverse of x is equal to 5. So find x. Okay. So if you have this type of question for inverse, so don't find inverse for h. Okay. So when you find inverse for x, you have to use logarithm and all. So now you don't have logarithm, you will be studying it later. So I will show you how we are doing it. So h of x is 2 raised to x, right? So here, as we are moving like numbers, 9 we move to right side, you got minus 9. Like that, in the same way, h inverse will move to right side, it will become h. Just think like that. Okay, so we'll move h inverse, you will get h. So in the left side only x remains. X is equal to h of 5. So to find the value of x, it is enough to find h of 5. What is h of x? H of x is 2 raised to x. We need to find h of 5. H of 5 is 2 raised to 5, that is 32. Oh, what do you mean by 2 raised to 5? 2 we need to multiply 5 times. Okay, 5 times we need to multiply. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. 16 times 2, 32. So the value of x is 32. I hope it's clear for you. If you have any doubt, please do comment, and if you have any suggestions also mention in the comment box. If the presentation, everything is okay for you, just mention that. And thank you, and we will continue in the next session, part 3, for the same question. Okay, I hope it's clear for you. Yeah, thank you. Have a good day.